Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and verify Bybit account. Let's begin. So once you've logged into Bybit, you're going to be given two options, whether to log in now or sign up. So I'm going to select sign up. You will then be given various options to create your account. You can either enter your email address and then create a password and then press sign up. So then the other option would be to use your phone number and create a password and then press on sign up. But if you have a Google account, you can also choose that option there at the bottom. So I'm going to use my mobile number, for example. Now, after entering your email or your phone number, it's going to ask you to solve a puzzle to make sure that you are human. So I'm just going to slide it. Now it says success. And it says here that they have sent a code to my cell phone number. Now I just have to wait. So now it says welcome to Bybit. To begin using Bybit services, please verify your identity. Upload photo of government ID and then upload selfie. So then you can just press on verify it now. So now it says unverified. Complete identity verification to access Bybit services. So then you're going to press on verify now. It says here verify your identity. So you are going to select your country, region of issue, and then you're going to choose either an ID card, passport, driver's license, and resident permit. So I'm going to choose ID, and then you're going to press on confirm. So now it says I'm a resident of or live in all countries except USA. So then I'm going to press on continue. So after taking a picture of the front part of the ID, it's going to ask you to take a picture of the backside of the ID. And then afterwards, it'll ask you to take a selfie to make sure that your face matches up with the picture on your ID. And there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, and thank you for watching.